How to make sesame garlic chicken and green bean stir fry on a Blackstone. 1. Rinse green beans. 2. Chop beans into thirds. Green beans complete. 4. Remove fat and tendons. 5. Slice chicken into chunks. 6. Now pull out your sauces. 7. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 8. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 9. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 10. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 11. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 12. Mix generously. 13. Cook green beans for 20 minutes on medium. 14. Halfway through season with garlic powder. 15. Now add chicken and cook for 10 to 15 minutes.